Good morning, ladies and gents, Uncle speaking, and welcome to the mess. Mess in front of my shed. But actually, I wanted to show you my motorcycle and what I'm doing with that. I'm actually attaching the panniers, and to do that I need a luggage rack. And that's what I'm doing, and that's what I actually almost made. It's not finished, it still requires some adjustment, but hey, it's working. Look. On at the bottom. But generally speaking, see, it fits there, and then dang, it's done. And done. And off we go. And the bike looks more or less like that. There is a gap here, so look, that's safe. And that's kinda cool. Now you can see the whole bike with the panniers, how it looks like. I think it looks really good, however the panniers are really high. And I'm not sure if I like it. Well, actually, if you want to mount the panniers without moving your exhaust, it will look like that. There is nothing to be done. However, I really hope that the panniers will be on the same level as the seat. And that I will have that area flat. However, it's not that case, so I decided to move it down. And look, the left pannier is already lowered, so it can be done, right? And now I moved both panniers down, and I think it looks much better. And I've got this space flat. Isn't it better? I think so. But you have to move your exhaust down. So how is it done? The only thing you need is to untie your muffler and lower it down with simple bracket, as on that picture. I use an angled bar for that, and it works perfectly well. And then you've got loads of space thanks to that. The muffler went down easily by 7-8 centimeters. No problem whatsoever. So here is the end result. That's how the bike looks like. I think it's good. It's really good. I like it. What's also important in that project is that it should take all the GIVI or GIVI monokey panniers. All those should fit to those brackets. And that's it for today, and I hope you find it useful. And if you did, you know what to do. Subscribe, thumbs up, and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Cheers!